headphones. Most of them are made out of plastic. And if you sit on them on the train at home, they can break. And sometimes the companies don't want to respect the warranty. Yeah. So you're left with a broken pair of headphones that you can't use anymore, that you need to throw away. So basically, it's not sustainable. So we've come with a new product that is basically headphones, but with modular pieces. So you can opt, when you order the headphones, you can opt to have them assembled or just shipped to you with these modular parts. And you can assemble them at home. What else can we say?
Can we see the picture?
We forgot to hire a design department yet, but they're on the way. We're asking the HR gnomes to help. Anyway, the idea of the project is to make it to offer a sort of mid-luxury audio listening experience, because I will present it later. Who are we basically fighting as a product and producer, and we wanted to make it more efficient for our Earth, to help save the Earth by reducing unnecessarily and greedy ways of selling products. So the story starts basically with with the pair of headphones that I use. There are some over-ear headphones from Bose. They're quite comfortable. They were very expensive when I bought them. So the idea of them breaking, obviously, is not going